This Edmodo tutorial are for students that do not currently have an Edmodo account, or maybe you lost your information for your account and you need to make a new one. All right. So what you want to do is, first of all, go to edmodo.com. That's edmodo.com. All right, and it will take you to this screen here. Now, it may be in the teachers area right now, so what you want to do is make sure you have selected students. All right, and this is the area where you will go to sign up for Edmodo. All right, now let's go ahead and put in your first name. I'm going to use a fictitious first name. Okay, I'm going to go with Steve. Okay, and his last name is Phillips, but what I encourage our students to do is to only put in your last 3 or 4 letters of your last name. Now, if you want to put in your whole name, you can, but I'm just going to put in Steve, P-H-I, okay? I could put the whole name in, but it'll just go with P-H-I because his last name is Phillips. Now, for his username, what we need to use is our student number. So I'm going to go 75333, okay? And I'm going to go down here. Now, you may get this error here, guys, or this message, and it says username has already been taken. So if you get that, go ahead and go back up there, keep your student number there, and then just put the first initial of your last name with it, okay? And then you'll see here that it says, okay, that's not been used, so we should be good to go. Make note of that, though, because it's important that you understand that, okay? And that when you go to log in the next time, you'll need that information, okay? Email is optional, although it is nice to have if you want to get updates and if you want to get information sent to your email whenever I post something new on Edmodo. That's a great feature to have. Okay, and then on the password here, what I suggest you use is I suggest you use your school password. So go ahead and type one in there. Okay, all right, and we'll kind of tell you if your password's any good. All right. And that's very typical for things like this now. And the last thing we need to go back up to the top now because we've not put in our group code yet. Okay, so if you want to stop a moment and get this stuff caught up, go ahead and do so. And now that we're ready to go with our group code, we can do that right now. Now, in the front of the classroom, I have your group code up there. Now, you know, it says first hour here, but this may not even be first hour's group code. This is just an example, okay? So first hour, folks, this may not be your code, so make sure you make note of that. And certainly if you're not in first hour, it's probably not your code, okay? So it's just a fictitious one that I came up with here, okay? So I'm going to go, what I would do then is I would type that code in here. Okay, like so. All right, and then once I've done that, what I need to do is click the sign up for free button. Okay, and it will go ahead and create your account. So go ahead and click on that, and when you do that, it's going to take you in to Edmodo for the first time. Okay, and what you'll see is you may see a screen like this, or maybe a screen like this, okay, depending on where it takes you when you log in, okay. I have a little welcome message here for you, so you can go ahead and read about that. It's going to encourage you to take a look at the apps launcher here on the side, so read over that and take some time to kind of free explore the apps launcher there and see what's available to you in there. We'll talk about some of the other features here in Edmodo, and there's lots of them, but we'll take a look at that later on in class. Right now, we just want to get everybody logged in. You'll notice again that you'll see your group over here on the side, and if you have other teachers that ask you to join later on, make sure you hang on to your username and password because you can join other teachers as well later on down the line, perhaps in 8th grade or even another teacher this semester if they decide to start using Edmodo. Okay, so welcome to the Edmodo community, and we look forward to doing some more learning together here on what we call a social learning application.